Y5 is a demarcated parking area. Y6 reserved parking for ambulances. Y7 is a bus lane. Y8 is a box junction, BOX box. You don't stop in there at all. Z1 is a pedestrian crossing where you might have to stop. The zigzag lines are important there. That means there's a pedestrian crossing where you might have to stop. Z2, that's a no parking line. Z3 is a bicycle lane. Z4 is a traffic circle. That's a mini circle and you normally get it in residential areas. 4 vehicles approaching from all 4 directions at the same time. The first vehicle over the line is the first vehicle to go. The keyword Z4 is line. Traffic circle, the first vehicle over the line is the first vehicle to go. Z5, that's an unguarded level crossing. It's a cross marked on the road surface warning about a train line. Z6 is a dividing line. Z7, those are called reversible lane lines. Z8 is a heeled line marked on the road surface. AA1, those are temporary parking bays. AA2, the left lane ends ahead. AA3, the right hand lane ends. AA4 is a no passing line. AA4 is very confusing as it is there. Those arrows warn you about the no passing line. In other words, a line is going to begin which prohibits you from passing. AA4, the keyword is line. AA5 is a speed hump. AA6 is a no passing line. What's the difference between AA6, the one line, and Y3, the 2 solid white lines? AA6 shows you may not pass other vehicles, while Y3 as well show you that you may not drive over it, not even to turn into a yard or anything else. To make it very simple, the difference between AA6 and Y3, the keyword is yard. BB2, reserved parking for ambulances. BB3, reserved parking for buses. BB4 is a loading zone for goods vehicles. BB5, reserved parking for taxis. BB6, reserved parking for the fire brigade. BB7, reserved parking for diplomats, diplomatic corps. BB8, reserved parking for minibuses. BB9, reserved parking for emergency vehicles. BB10, reserved parking for the Defence Force or Wehrmacht. CC1 informs you are 300 meters away from a high-speed off-ramp. CC2 informs you are 200 meters away from a high-speed off-ramp. Why are those signs yellow? Remember, all signs with yellow backgrounds are temporary signs. Those signs are normally blue. CC1, 2 and 3 are normally blue, and you normally get it on freeways. CC4, if you're driving a heavy motor vehicle, you may not drive in the right-hand lane for the next 15 kilometers. CC5, the speed limit in the right-hand lane is 80 kilometers per hour. CC9 is a right-of-way sign. When you approach a traffic circle and you see sign CC9, you can enter the circle without stopping because CC9 gives you right-of-way. DD1, robots and offenders will be spotted by camera. DD2, the speed limit and offenders will be spotted by camera. DD5, the road to the left ends. DD6 is a cul-de-sac, is a dead end. DD7, the road to the right ends. You can turn right there if you wish. And DD8, that's the alternative route. How do you get there? You turn right ahead, take the N17. That is the alternative route.